Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, it sure is getting cold outside, and so we have to remember when it's cold outside to wear our mittens. So today we're going to do a quick craft with a mitten. Now, I've made a mitten out of heavy paper and punched some holes in it. And the first thing we're going to do is to do some sewing. Now you can go around and around with your sewing, or you can go in and out with your sewing. It doesn't matter. Either way, it will sew it, and this is really good practice for learning how to do some writing. Notice I don't have a needle on this one. What I did is I dipped the end of my wool in glue and let it dry, and that makes it nice and hard to make it easier to sew with. Or you could wrap a piece of tape around the end of it to make it easier. And while we're sewing, we could sing a song. It's cold outside today. It's cold outside today. Hi-ho the dairy-o, it's cold outside today. We put our mittens on, we put our mittens on. Hi-ho the dairy-o, we put our mittens on. What else do we have to wear? We put our jackets on, we put our jackets on. Hi-ho the dairy-o, we put our jackets on. What else do we need to put on? We put our snow pants on, we put our snow pants on. Hi-ho the dairy-o, we put our snow pants on. Those are just some songs that you could sing. You could keep that one going all day long. Another one, because mittens are different than gloves. Gloves have 5 spots for your fingers, but mittens only have 1. And so I try to remember thumb in the thumb place, fingers all together. That is the song we sing in Mitten Weather. So thumb in the thumb place, fingers all together. That is the song we sing in Mitten Weather. Mittens are sometimes a lot easier to put on than gloves. So once you've sewn your mitten, it's time to decorate. You could decorate with anything you have at home. You could color on it. You could do some cutting and pasting. I have one that I just made, and I took some colored paper, just made some shapes and glued them on. And then I added some fur onto mine. You can just use cotton batting, or if you have some cotton puffs at home, pull them apart a little bit and glue them on. But here's one more thing you might want to do with your mitten, because it's so much fun. Take some white paint and, oh, that's cold and slimy. Get your hand all nice and painty, and then make a nice handprint on your mitten. And then you could add some wool, cotton wool if you want to that too. So those are just a couple of easy things to do with mittens, because now that it's cold, we want to make sure that we have our mittens with us. And don't lose those mittens, because you're going to need them. So have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Stay warm.